Let's see. That's right. There's a trash enclosure in front of us. Maintenance will be to the left of that. It's like a small city of apartment buildings. This is garages right here. These little structures. There's another garage right there. It is lunchtime. You see the food truck. Let's see. Where's that building at? Just about started. All the framing on every slab. Let me check the frame over here. Well, building 22 up here looks like it might not have framing started yet. That's the one straight in front of us. We just see the trusses stacked up. That's building 22. So almost all are started. A month ago, this was a mud pit. None of this was paved. And we were getting snow, ice, rain, seemed like every other day. Okay, yeah, this is building 22 and no framing starting on that one. And then we have the monster one over here, 21. That's going to be a big building. You can see this slab here. This one isn't humongous. But this next one is going to be a big one. Yeah, this is going to be a big building here. Really good sized building. And there's the lower level of it. All right. Whew. See if we can get out of here without getting hurt. Yep. Oh, 21. It's gonna be a monster. And there'll be some garages to the right over here for this building. All right. All right. I think we're looking pretty good. It's still going to be towards the end of the year before this is all done. But it's coming along very nicely. That's the clubhouse right there where the pool and everything will be. They've already framed the pool. Let's go take a look and see where it's at. Windows in the clubhouse. And there's the pool. Got it nice and smooth out here, looking good. All right, there's the cement pond. Not gonna be super deep. It's 6 feet. So not gonna be a deep pool at all. Let's see what they've got progressed in here in the clubhouse. Door casings in. So it looks like they're doing all the rough in right now. HVAC, electrical, plumbing is kind of the stage at the moment. Alright. I guess that'll do it for now. Thanks for watching.